What is up, my YouTube friends? Welcome to another episode, reminder video, questions from the truck, number 41. How this show works is you ask your model railroad, transit, and woodworking questions in the comments below, and I try to get you answers on Sunday's show from either you, the viewer, myself, or that magic 8-ball. Enjoy this train. This is from a couple weeks ago, right after the snow. I think it's QFtT. Grayson has a lot of UPS cars on this one. Until the Sunday, enjoy the rest of the week. Be well, be blessed. Until the next time. Say it! QFtT, eastbound. Do not hump. How many UPS cars did you count, Grayson? I counted 11.